Welcome back to video number 3 of this series. If you missed the other videos, I upgraded the differentials to all metal. Then the last video I upgraded the reduction gear, motor gear, and the drive shaft and drive gears. I upgraded those to metal too. So in this video, we're gonna upgrade the plastic suspension arms and then also these hub cup carriers. So I'm gonna go ahead and start tearing this thing down and switching this over. So there it is, that's how you put the suspension arms on. I didn't need these suspension arms. I only did it because they look pretty cool. All the parts that you see here are gonna be linked in the description below, but in the next video, I'm gonna upgrade the suspension. This is the stock suspension right here, and they're not oil filled and they're plastic. These are oil filled. They're not filled with a lot of oil, but there's enough oil in there that they can call them oil filled. I'm actually going to fill these up with my own oil because these are not much stiffer than the factory ones. So I'm going to put my own thicker oil in here to make the suspension better. But yeah, I'm going to upgrade the suspension. And then while I'm at it, I'm gonna put these adjustable pull rods for the steering. But like I said, that'll be on the next video. Thanks for watching, everybody. You know the drill. Hit me with a like, hit the subscribe button right over here. And thanks for watching me rebuild this ready to run RC.